Hello, my name's Andy Speller. I'm the founder of Blyss Garden Rooms. We create beautiful gyms, offices, summer houses in people's gardens in northwest London. When we're on site, we only have a limited amount of time. That's why we need a quality set of cordless power tools that help us to do the job accurately, but also to keep the pace up. Really happy to be here with Trend today. Really looking forward to building one of my garden rooms with the tools, checking out the tools and seeing what we make of them.